So you're here hoping that I can help you find free fonts, because we've all been in the same boat where we're starting on a new project and we just don't have the budget to buy the fancy stuff. Well, I'm giving you a list of all the free font sources you could ever possibly need. So let's just dive right in and get started. The first one on my list is Google Fonts. Just go to fonts.google.com. By the way, all of the websites that I'm going to be showing you, you'll find links to in the description below. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that like button. So let me just tell you why I like Google Fonts so much. Like in most of these websites, you can type in a custom sentence. So if you've got a specific title that you want to use and you want to see what it'll look like in that specific font, you can just type it in over here. Art in motion. There we go. You can also change the size of the fonts. But the thing that I really like, they've also got a really good filter system. So you can filter out whatever kind of font you're looking for. So let's say I just wanted handwritten fonts, or I just wanted serif fonts or sans serif fonts. It's quite easy to just filter them out, as well as if you're looking for something that has specific symbols like Chinese or Arabic, you can just go here and just select one. Also, you can sort the font according to the thickness or maybe the width. You can also go to an individual font and change the size as well as some other settings if you wanted to just see the numbers or the whole alphabet, as well as if you wanted to see the other styles of the font. I think the best feature of this website, and possibly the most convenient part of it, is in order to download a font, you can just click on this cross and it adds it to a list. You can add a whole bunch just by clicking on the red crosses. And then if you go down to this tab at the bottom, you then click on the download button over here, and it'll download all of it as a zip file. And there you have it, all the fonts that you selected. Funspace is another brilliant site for all you designers out there. All you got to do is click on Browse, pick one of the filters. So let's go with sans serif, because a good sans serif is always good. Now by default, it shows you all of the fonts. So what you want to do is you just want to click over here where it says Filter and turn on Only Show Commercial Use Fonts. That way you avoid getting into any trouble. Then click Apply. Down the side here, there's a few extra categories. So we can go with futuristic as an example. And then we just scroll down till we find something that we really like Autobus over here. And then go down to where it says Download. Click Download, save. There you go. You've got your new font. Another very popular font website is Dafont.com. Now on Dafont.com, you can just type in a keyword over here and search, or you can use one of these themes. For example, if you go to Basic, we've got sans serif. And then underneath Preview, you can type in whatever title you like, press Enter, and you can preview your title in the font that you're looking for. I like this one, Hindenburg. Wasn't that the blimp? You then go over to the side here and click Download and choose the location. Also, what I suggest you do when searching for fonts is click here where it says More Options and click on 100% free and then Submit. So that way you can ensure whatever fonts you're looking at are completely free. 1001 Fonts is another really great site for finding all kinds of really good fonts. One big positive on this site is there's a hell of a lot of fonts that are styled after movie fonts such as Star Wars or Underworld. But I suppose you're also got to be careful with those. I'm not sure what the legal ramifications are for having bootlegged fonts from movies. I don't know. Should be fine. Maybe somebody in the comments can clarify this issue, because I know there's a lot of movie-styled fonts on here. But anyway, let's just take a look. Over here, you can change the size of the font. Along the top here, there's a bunch of filters. So say I wanted headline fonts and all of them to be sans serif. Now I've got a whole bunch of sans serif headline fonts. Or I can also say bold, so now it's only the bold ones that are showing. And then once I find something that I really like, I've just got to look over here. It says free for personal use. The green ones mean that it's free for commercial use. And then once I find one that I really want to use, that I feel I'm allowed to use for my project, such as this one over here, I just click download and save. Next up is fontsquirrel.com. Squirrel font may not have a lot of fonts, but it's got a lot of good fonts. And it's fairly easy to navigate. Down the side here, you've got all your classifications and tags. So as an example, sans serif. You can then scroll down, look for something you like, and click the little blue arrow for download and save. Quick and easy. Nothing to it. A great place to look is fontbundles.net. Once you're on fontbundles.net, you just got to click on free fonts and you'll be greeted with a whole lot of amazing free fonts. Once you find one that you really like, click on it. You then got to log in. I like to log in using Facebook, and then click free download now and save. That's all there is to it. Now everybody loves Behance. This one I think everyone should know about. Behance is the place where some of the world's best designers showcase their creative works, such as design assets and fonts. And Behance is full of free fonts and some of the most incredible designs. It's a good place to find reference, but to find fonts, you just got to search, type in free font. Then you can click here or over here where it says see all projects or all collections. I prefer searching through collections because they've kind of done all the heavy lifting for you. So we'll just go to one of these, this one, why not? And you can just scroll down until you find something that you really like or that you might want to use, such as this. Some of these will give you different ways to download, but most of the time you'll get something along the lines of this, where you just click download now, and it will often take you to another website where you've got to follow further instructions, like over here. You'll come across also a lot of pay what you want. If you want it for free, you don't have to pay. If you want to support the artist, you can choose to donate. But we'll just add to cart, no thank you. And then you email it to yourself and click download. And then you've just got to go and check your email and it will send you a link in order to download. And that's kind of it. That's one of the biggest problems with using Behance is every single font will have a different way of downloading it or supporting the artist or whatever. So it's a little bit harder to try and find the kind of font that you might be looking for. But there are many incredible fonts and it's worth the hunt. Next up on our list is Dribbble. Dribbble is a similar platform to Behance, though not as popular. Dribbble is popular amongst UI designers, so you're bound to find a lot of really good fonts. Just like Behance, all you got to do is go to the top and search free font. And you follow the same sort of process, but you're going to need to sign in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video or any of my other videos, please consider donating to my Patreon. It's always appreciated. And if you're not willing to subscribe to my Patreon, consider sending me some cryptocurrencies. I like crypto. My wallet addresses are in the description.
I see the world in color with my neon shades, feeling like a roller coaster, dropping in on a brand new day. When XYZ is ABC, how radiant this life can be. Let's uncover a new way and live on the bright side, where a simple smile can turn someone onto the right side. Go and use your light to help them see